Hey everyone, welcome back to Built Environments. We are here today for the Creative Construction Challenge, where we are putting our team members to the test to see what they've learned about air and water management and find out if they can nail it or fail it. Jarrett, what are we getting into today?
We're gonna take a modified test and let them kind of be a little creative with it.
Yeah, we're gonna have 2 hours to construct a wall, but before you go shopping, you'll have a half hour to design this wall. Then you'll go shopping, come back, and then you'll have 2 hours to complete your assembly. We're then going to test this wall in accordance to a modified version of ASTM E331. What this does is simulates a light rain under slight negative pressure. So you'll have to keep this in mind when you're designing your wall.
But I'm gonna give you each $400. You can go anywhere you want except for a large box hardware store or any local hardware store. But you need to keep your receipts and bring your receipts back to us. Then we're also gonna take the money that you don't spend and we're gonna put that into a pot. So the winning wall would get the pot for all the leftover money from all the contestants. Sound good? Like it. So you don't want to spend too little and not pass, but you don't want to spend too much and then maybe there's not enough money left over. So there's a little bit of a gamesmanship there you've got to play.
That's right. So there's 3 criteria we're testing and judging you guys for. One is creativity. How much outside of the box did you think? What kind of weird supplies did you all buy? The second is going to be cost. How cost effective were you guys? Did you spend all $400 and still fail, or were you budget friendly? And then the last, of course, is the test standard. We're gonna really test these walls and see who passes. Find out if you guys nailed it or failed it. You guys ready for the challenge?
Oh,
Yeah.
All right, let's get it. Jarrett,
Let's go.
give him some money.
All right.
All right, guys, time is about to be up. You have 3, 2, 1, go build that wall.
Go shopping.
I'm so confused.
I'm actually going to glue these over the screw heads. Just something a little festive.
In case we get to sabotage someone, they're gonna have a tiara on there.
That's Jared's section there, toys.
I think you got a bad idea. And if I don't need it, I can eat it.
I should buy him a gift card from here, so at least they win something. Oh.
Are you feeding an army?
Apparently.
Look at the big old chunks of peanut butter.
All right, while our contestants are out on their shopping spree, I want to take a minute to really understand this test and this wall and what our contestants are up against. So, Jarrett, tell us about this.
Yeah, so what we've done today is actually taken an ASTM E2357 air barrier test, which is typically done on an 8-foot by 8-foot wall. We've condensed that down to a 4-foot by 8-foot wall, and instead of doing the air barrier portion of the test, we're actually going to do water test, which is typical to ASTM E331, which Steve has done a lot of research about.
Yes, the ASTM 331 test is really, it simulates a light rain under slight negative pressure. The pressure is 2.86 pounds per square foot, and the test duration is 15 minutes. I'm on record as talking a lot about ASTM 331. I don't think it's a very rigorous test.
So it's going to be really interesting to see what our contestants bring back and what they have to use to test. But let's see what the wall is and what they have to deal with. So I'm going to grab it and we're going to talk about it.
All right.
So, as I mentioned, it's a condensed 2357 down to a 4-foot by 8-foot. But we still have the continuous horizontal seam. We have the vertical seam on half of it. Obviously, we have all the fastener heads within the sheathing. We have the 1.5-inch PVC pipe penetration, and then we have the electrical box.
Yeah, there are so many gaps and cracks and holes in this that I can already see. I know this is going to be really challenging, especially since every wall is built slightly different, which is pretty common in today's construction. So when I'm looking at this wall, what would you guys do? There's a 6th wall here. I counted, we only have 5 contestants, so what's this bad boy for?
Steve and I might have an idea.
All right, something to stay tuned and find out what our mystery wall will be used for at the end. All right, guys, it is 12 o'clock. All of our contestants are back and they made it on time. So let's go check in with them and see what they bought.
Got a few things.
Got a little peanut butter.
I got a lot of peanut butter.
That's a lot of peanut butter.
That is a lot of peanut butter.
My thought was something oily, right?
Okay.
So I got that.
Whoa. This is denture cream?
Yes. Okay, well, if it's good for your mouth and it's a wet area, I thought it might hold, for a very long time in, the rain conditions. So that's an option.
The question is the denture cream and the peanut butter compatible? Because compatibility is going to be key here.
Yeah, that's my issue. I'm not quite sure yet. And then finally, again,
you have another one.
I have 4 options. I've got some nail polish. I think the first thought is to treat the fasteners with the nail polish and UV light. Treat the seams with the either wax if that works. If not, go with the denture cream. And then on top of it all, the peanut butter.
Okay.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's a good plan. It's a good design.
How much money did you spend?
I spent $85.
Can I have my money back?
No.
Wait. Where's the envelope?
The envelope's here.
Okay.
That's 85.
All right. Okay.
All right.
We shall see, my friend.
Show everybody what you got.
All right, so you were gone basically like 20 minutes.
Yes, sir.
What?
Had a plan.
So your 30 minutes was pretty good then. You had a good idea.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I didn't need 30.
What? What do we got?
All right. Here's, see, you said be creative.
Okay.
Okay. So I got the glue gun,
You got
glue
okay.
sticks, a
Okay.
little cheap gun,
Nice.
Gorilla hot glue sticks.
Very
Okay.
reliable.
Yeah,
Okay.
very reliable. And the candles.
What?
You put the glue in there, you stuff the candle in there. And just put the cotton balls over top of screws just for looks.
Snowball. Just for looks.
Yeah,
Oh,
just for looks.
All right, so how much money did you spend?
$28.
Amazing.
You had $400 budget, and you spent $28.
I'm a company man. I try to save company money.
All right, you give me the receipts. Give me the money. You have the
Oh, I
envelope.
thought I kept it. That's why I spent so little.
No, not yet.
All right.
All right, I got the world's best dad here with his treatment.
What do we have here?
Yeah, let's see this.
We got diapers and duct tape.
That's a minimalistic approach. I like
I know.
I mean,
But you said creative, so I'm trying to
Very
get creative.
there's 120 diapers in there.
I know. We're gonna have a wall of
All
diapers.
right, so full disclosure, you're about to have your wife's about to have a baby.
Yeah.
So, did you buy this for personal use?
No, I bought it. When you said creativity,
Okay.
I was thinking in the back of my mind, well, I'm getting ready to have a baby.
Okay.
So, diapers. My plan is to lay out the diapers, especially in the seams, electrical box, stuff like that, and then just tape across it. Yep.
So, how much money did you spend?
$35.60.
35. Okay. So that's about $1 a foot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I went to Dunkin' too, but I didn't.
this.
I got all the things.
All right,
right in
Mrs. Hobby
between
Lobby
us.
is here.
Come on over here. Let's.
Unpack this.
Do you need some help?
So when I first got to Hobby Lobby, I thought a great competitive motivator for my competition. I thought for morale, it would
Yeah. Okay.
boost up some things.
I'll just place that.
Put that there. Then I also found this tiara for the winner. I thought, they might need a tiara or put it
that
on
a-
someone's
Okay.
thing.
Yeah.
That's good.
Okay.
So, was concerned about the leaking of the pipe at any point. So,
I did notice that you measured that before you
Yeah.
left. So did you measure the height of the bucket? Does it
So
fit?
I did look at the dimensions on the back.
So that fits, huh? It sure does. Oh, it raises just a little bit.
Steve, you're a big fan of cork.
I'm a big fan of cork, but how are you going to be using this? I see you have another membrane here.
Yeah.
This is redundancy? Are you just looking just in case, contingency? What's going on with this versus this?
So this is actually,
Is that leather?
it's used for golf cart seats.
Oh. Okay.
So I thought it'd be a great weather resistance over everything.
Yeah. So all right. So how much money did you spend?
I spent $122.
Ooh,
So,
big spender.
Well under budget. Though.
Okay.
yes.
Yeah.
Now, this is the first approach where we see a full coverage.
Right.
And I like that approach because it truly is redundancy. And it's a solid water barrier, no doubt about it.
Wow.
Hey, Doug.
Come on over. Come on over.
Now we have Doug, who made it by a hair of time.
I mean,
but
just
he's
did
here.
make it back.
Come on.
DUG,
Yes, sir.
what do we have?
Well, the creativity part was kind of
Okay.
got me. So I was like, all right. Had a plan. I had a list. I had everything what I was going to do. And that just went out the door as soon as I got to Hobby Lobby. So I saw this right away. It's a vinyl tablecloth.
Okay.
So I'm like, all right. So football theme. Have stickers too.
Okay.
So football is going to go over the electric box to cover that up. And then walking down looking for stickers and saw sculpture clay.
No, that's perfect.
So I got the clay, and that's going to go in all the seams.
In the seams.
Yep, and
Okay.
around the electrical box before.
Okay.
And then this just happened to be there. It's just a
Like
vinyl.
Yeah.
It's just like it
Yep.
basically is like
Vinyl,
a
clear vinyl. Yep.
So I said, give me a piece of that by 9 foot.
Do you have your receipts?
I do.
Okay. How much money did you spend?
I spent $57.32.
57.32. Is the receipt in here?
Everything is in there.
All right, we have seen all of our contestants' products now, and now it is time to build in 1 minute. So get your products and let's get to our walls. I'm gonna grab
Absolutely.
everyone else.
All right.
All right, are you guys ready?
Let's go.
On your mark, 2 hours begins. On your mark, get set, build. Go, go, go.
All right.
Let's see what they do. All right, we just tallied up all the money, all the receipts, and it's a lot more than we thought it was gonna be. Jarrett, hey you guys interested in knowing what the pot is? You wanna know how much you're gonna win today? So since everyone was super bargain shoppers and we were not expecting that, you're gonna win quite a bit of money today. Jarrett, what's the prize?
I'm kind of surprised that people are very frugal in this because usually it comes to lab supplies. It's a little different. But with the tally I have today, the pot is currently $1,668.93.
All right, so now we know the stakes are high, the pot is huge, and the competition is on. Let's go talk to our contestants and get in their head and figure out what they're building. What is Matthew doing? We need to go investigate.
Yeah, for sure.
Let's go check that out.
After you.
Okay.
Whichever way. Wait, I thought you were using nail polish.
Yes, that didn't work out very well.
Wait, because you started, you had 4 ideas.
Yes.
So we focused in now on the wax.
The wax is the numero uno idea. Yeah.
Okay.
But yeah, nail polish is not going to work because that has to cure, and that UV light stinks.
Matthew, there's 1, 2. How many Krispy treats did you put in that box?
Oh, like 5.
You put 5 in the electrical box?
Yeah, I packed them in. I just packed them in. I just kept packing them.
How many did you eat?
I ate a few, so.
So are we not using the peanut butter at all?
Peanut butter's gonna go on last.
Oh, last. Okay, that's your coating.
That's my final coating, yeah, for it to set up.
All right, Mr. Arts and Craft, you go working on a beautiful project over here. What is this?
This is modeling clay. And yeah, was not on my list, but
Here we
I
are.
saw it and said, let's try it.
Is this gonna be the only thing?
No, I have, I'm gonna cover it in plastic afterwards.
Whole
And in all the
plastic
little nail holes, I got little footballs to put on each little.
What do you think? Is this gonna work?
Yeah, it looks pretty solid. I mean, it's fairly redundant. Not a bad plan, really.
Yeah.
It's his color.
Yeah, it's his favorite color. Steve, come check this out.
All right.
Dr. Steve, what do you think about this?
I like it because he has the redundancy, as Jarrett was just saying, but he's going to go with a full coverage on the plastic. Should be very sound. The stickers, yeah, that's interesting, but it's all beneath the plastic anyway. Definitely very colorful, very creative.
He is a contractor, so he's got his reputation on the line today. He's not
Thanks
no
a
Joe
lot.
Schmo. He's a pro.
So I see you've taken apart the outlet box here.
I've removed it so that I can seal the penetrations that are behind it.
Do you plan on reassembling that?
I can if you.
I
if
think you should, because we want the assembly to be intact.
Okay.
Yeah. Otherwise, we might be looking at a penalty. We wouldn't want to have.
Look at all those
penalty.
little holes in there.
You need mass. You need some bulk to go inside there and cover it up.
You know what?
Short of that, you're going with the
You don't need.
skill set.
You don't need squat.
All right, we'll see.
Yeah, you just gotta be skilled enough to do it. That's all.
You have a lot of diapers here. You could,
Yeah.
if you wanted to. You still have some tape. You could go full coverage. Have you
Yeah.
thought about that?
I've thought about it.
Not trying to jinx you, but should one of these fail and water enter, you're kind of holding all the water in,
Yeah.
would you not? Kind of like this space column here. Water gets in, held against the water-resistant barrier. What do you think about that?
See, what I'm hoping is this will kind of deflect
Okay.
water. With the front of the diaper and the duct tape, any water does get through, the inside of the diaper will soak it up.
So it's kind of like a real diaper. You kind of know if it's filled diaper or not.
Yeah.
It'll be all baggy.
Yeah.
All done, Rick?
All finished.
All right.
Come and check out
As
Tara.
the first finisher, you get a special prize. So,
Oh,
no,
my
kneel
goodness.
down, kneel down. Miss Built Environments with the fastest wall built. Wave to your fans, take your walk. Miss
Congratulations, Rick.
America, Miss America. Wipe the tear.
All right, I'm done.
Done?
Yep.
All right, 97 minutes in. Diaper Boy is done. Let's see how it holds up.
All right, I'm all done.
All done. All right, with 10 minutes left to spare, this looks like a pretty sealed wall. How do you feel about it?
Feel pretty good.
You putting your money on this wall?
This is well sealed. No doubt about it, it's well sealed. Looks a little atrocious, but it's well sealed.
All right, can't wait to see it put to the test. Good job, Matthew.
Thank you.
All right, we are down to 5.5 minutes, Tara. Speed it up, baby girl. You got this.
I think I'm done.
You're done? Are you sure? It's sealed?
Looks
You're done?
Looks pretty done.
2 minutes to spare. You're
Well,
calling it?
Yeah, calling it.
All
That's
right, good job, everyone. And that is a wrap on the Creative Construction Challenge. Now, let's put them to the test. In part 2, we are holding nothing back. We are going to fully expose the successes and failures of our team's wall with the ASTM E331 test. Click to find out who walks away with over $1,600 in cash, and you might be very surprised to find out who the real expert is. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more scientific videos in the future.